All right, we are going to move along. Let's just first review everything that we know so far. So we know if we have the equation of 3x plus 5 equals 14, we know the steps in solving that is to first pick a number. Then we need to, because the 3 is next to the x, we're going to multiply by 3. Then we're going to add 5, and our result is 14. Everybody's good. We work in the opposite direction, and we know that we start with 14. The opposite is to subtract 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. The opposite of multiply is to divide by 3, and our number picked is 3. Everybody is good at handling that. So now we are going to take it one step further with this equation. This says 6x minus 35 minus 3x equals 55. Well, we can't solve this equation by picking a number because essentially we have two x's in here. So what we need to do is called combine like terms. Combining like terms is what we have when we have our variables. We have the same variable in one equation. So, for example, we have our 6x and our, let's add a line and change the sign, we have our negative 3x. So combining like terms is something that we have learned in kindergarten, first, second grade. We know that 6 minus 3 is 3. Well, this is no different if we have 6x minus, or well, let's do plus negative 3x. Everything's going to stay the same. We're just going to keep our variable. So we have 6 minus 3 is 6x plus a negative 3x is 3x. Okay, so now we have combined our 6x and our negative 3x. So we can rewrite our equation as 3x minus 35 equals 55. Now this certainly looks like this. This is something that we can all handle. Well, we will pick a number, multiply by 3, subtract 35, and our result is 55. We're going to work in the opposite direction with our, we will have 55. The opposite of subtracting is adding, so we add 35. I know that 55 and 35 is 90. The opposite of multiply is to divide, so we'll divide by 3, and our number is 30. I'll check my work by picking a number. The number we picked was 30. Multiplied by 3 is 90. Take away 35, and we get 55. So we know that x equals 30. Again, I can test that out right here. I have 6x minus 35 plus negative 3x equals 55. Well, what's 6 times 30? That will give us 180 minus 35. I'll use my fancy dancy calculator. 180 minus 35 is 145. We get 145, and then we're going to add, we know we have negative 3 times 30 will give us negative 90. So 145